All right, y'all, today we're going to do a special unboxing for these special edition clippers, these Andis Masters, the black label. We're going to see what all come up in here and everything like that, so let's get into it. Open up the box. Y'all, I've been using these. These work very, very, very good. I would choose these kind of over my wall scenes. Y'all know I'm a wall scenes guy, but I got a lot of clippers. As y'all can see, like, all over here, I got a lot of clippers. Like, I would choose these over a lot of clippers. Nice packaging. This right here, they got this right here. It says create your way. Nice, great, solid, great packaging. Pull this out. We got the clipper. We put this to the side. The clipper, we got the charging stand. It does come with a little charging dock. Andis charging dock. We're gonna say that. And then underneath here, not important. Boom, we got this Andis box. And inside the box, they got all this stuff. They got the OG Zero Guard. Very, very good compared to the other ones. I'm about to show you the other one real quick. Oh, if I could get it open for y'all. This is the OG Zero. Boom. Hopefully it can focus for y'all. This is a nice guard. Look how long the teeth is on this. When I cut with this, it really feels like it grips the hair versus this one right here. This is a newer version. This one, it works at a decent, it's a decent guard, but this one works a lot better. And I'm gonna put them next to each other just so y'all can tell the difference. I wonder if the camera's focusing or not, but y'all can kind of see the difference turning to the side. I'm gonna put that to the side real quick. Comes with this. This is an extra, what is this? This is a replacing blade yoke, MLC. I have no idea what that means. Y'all can kind of pause it, read all that. We ain't gonna read all that, we're gonna throw it to the side. This right here, this is like a little plant flip for the replacing blade. A little booklet, use care instructions. Boom, we just gonna flip through all that. Put that to the side. This right here, some oil. And then this goes into the charging stand. We're gonna get the charging stand out real quick. Boom. And we're gonna plug this in for y'all real quick. Charging stand goes in here. All black. Nice gloss to it, like a matte black almost. Doesn't sound too bad at all. They don't have a click lever system, they just got these notches right here. It doesn't go all the way to the top notch right there, but it's like, it works good for me. It don't, like, I don't need my clippers or this clipper all like zero gapped all the way. I have another clipper that's zero gap, but these are really nice for fading. And y'all can see the blade. This blade is supposed to be in between, a phase blade is supposed to be like a taper blade and a fade blade together. I want to say so. I can use these on a few clients. Y'all gonna see on a couple videos that I've already done before I come out with this. The videos that's coming out, like what they can do or the capabilities of this clipper right here. So yeah, this is just a short little thing showing y'all the clipper, showing y'all how good it looks and everything. Y'all can see how good the clipper would be able to cut on my page. And yeah, that's it. Just a nice quick little video just showing y'all this new clipper and what to expect inside the packaging and whatnot.
Danny, please don't do anything crazy.
that's the one time I got the job at Food.